how to switch model in Deepcode CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and simple tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can easily switch your model in Deepcode CLI. So for that, first open or launch your Windows PowerShell in administrator mode. And once your Windows PowerShell launches in administrator mode, simply type in Deepcode. This will launch the Deepcode CLI, and once the Deepcode CLI launches from a new line, simply type in the forward slash and then type in model. Hit the enter button, and from here you can simply choose the particular model that you wish. The two choices are either the DeepSeek V4 Pro or the DeepSeek V4 Flash. The V4 Pro is a more superior model which inhibits more thinking as compared to the V4 Flash, which is a more faster version of the same at low effort. So if you wish to change, simply select the model that you want and then hit the enter button. And once you will do that, you can determine the thinking mode as well. So the thinking modes are max, high, or no thinking, and you can simply select the one that is your preference, and you can see that the selected model and the thinking mode will be set. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.